In a major push towards upgrading rural educational infrastructure in the hills, the Chief Executive Member of the TTAADC, Runiel Debbarma, officially inaugurated the newly constructed building of Janthum English Medium High Secondary School today on May 22, 2026. The state-of-the-art school building is located under the jurisdiction of the Damchera-Kuchukchera Council's constituency.
Please come and read our President. I request President to read the memento. Mr. Runiel Debbarma, Honorable Chief Executive Member TTAADC, in appreciation for his gracious presence as inaugurator and chief guest, and for sharing his valuable knowledge and inspiration on the occasion.
The inauguration ceremony was attended by a host of TTAADC dignitaries, local village council leaders, school administrative staff, students and residents of the area. The new building is equipped with modernized classrooms and upgraded facilities designed to cater to the growing student population in the subdivision. Addressing the gathering after cutting the ribbon, CEM Runiel Debbarma reiterated the council's unwavering commitment to make quality education accessible to every corner of the ADC areas.
Please come and read our President. I request President to read the memento.
The Chief Executive Member emphasized that proper physical infrastructure is basic to a healthy learning environment. Following the formal event, the CEM along with officials inspected the newly built classroom, laboratories and premises to review the completed works. Reported by Boyar from Danchera, Chini, Khorang.